Introducing the Cuisinart CHW 1612 Cup Programmable Coffeemaker and Hot Water System in stunning new black. This all-in-one product is perfect for those who love both coffee and hot beverages. The Coffeemaker features a 12-cup glass carafe, fully automatic with 24-hour programmability, and an LCD clock. It also has a self-clean feature and an adjustable auto shut-off from 0 to 4 hours. You can choose between a 1 to 4 cup setting and adjust the keep warm temperature control. With the convenient brew pause feature, you can pour a cup of coffee before the brewing cycle is complete. Plus, it comes with a gold tone, commercial-style permanent filter and a charcoal water filter for the purest coffee enjoyment. But that's not all. This amazing product also includes a hot water on demand feature. You can easily dispense hot water for tea, soup, oatmeal, and more. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Compatibility should be checked before purchasing. Experience the ultimate convenience with the Cuisinart CHW 16. Its programmability, dual filters, and hot water system make it perfect for any kitchen. Get yours today and elevate your coffee and hot beverage experience.